You need a 2.5 and 4 mm wrench. Loosen the brake lever adjustment screw. Pull the brake lever and remove the brake cable. Loosen the grip screws counterclockwise and remove the grip. Loosen the brake lever screw counterclockwise and replace the brake lever. Tighten the brake lever screw clockwise. Reinstall the grip and tighten the screws clockwise. Reinstall the brake cable and tighten the brake lever adjustment screw. Test and adjust the brake.